You are one of the leaders of aerospace, and I wondered if you could share some of the key components that come to your mind when you think of aerospace.
Right now, the real challenge is to be again in motion towards the goal that originally people like Kennedy had. He had this vision more than 60 years ago that humankind should really become a space race, a race that a being that spans into the space and has this ability of adapting to different environments. And that dream sort of halted for a while, but I think the idea of colonizing the moon is so obvious. The moon is really very close. It has a tremendous amount of potential, resources that we can use. And I really envision that right now this entire idea, which the whole Artemis project is built with, having transportations between the various sectors of the Artemis base and city, would be a small city basically, and transportation and water and sharing resources and growing food. There are people who are doing research about agricultural activities to be supported on the moon, of course, in protected domes. And I think it's very fascinating. It gives hope that we have not reached our boundaries. Our destiny is to expand our knowledge, our understanding, and hopefully we can become even better, could become by learning things and exposing ourselves towards the unknown. There is the possibility of improving also our ethics and our moral character, because we can, the immensity of space should make us humble, understand how immense it is, how tiny we are. We thought for a long time that we are the only intelligent life everywhere, and we start now with all the exoplanets to realize that the possibility of life outside the solar system, even intelligent one, is very sizable, is very real. And it's very obvious to me that opening us to space could make humankind a better type of being. And I have high hopes that, it will teach humility again, because when you face something so huge and with so many unknowns, automatically we shrink. Our ego should shrink, and we should become a little more humble and help to collaborate and learn to collaborate more with others and try to work more as teams. And as as a collective, putting together our capabilities on something that works for the benefit of all. So that is the hope, and the thing that were written in the past when the Voyagers was landed is this little tiny thing built by humans many years ago, and now has basically passed the edge of the solar system and is flying and will go forever, probably after the human race will be no more. That thing will still be flying in outer space and brings this message of peace and knowledge, and is something I think that space perhaps could teach us. And I really hope that some of the tensions that exist on Earth, once we expand our horizons, will disappear and vanish.